Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a half hitch braid pattern. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I went ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. To make this braid pattern, we'll be working in sections of 4, and we're going to keep these groupings into 2 separate sections of 2 ropes. So we're going to take the section of 2 on the right side, send it over the 2 left strings so we have a loop. It's going to wrap around and go through that loop, and then we're just going to pull that gently tight, and you want to just make sure your ropes are stacked nicely on top of each other. Then we're going to take our next grouping of 4. It's going to be 2 old strings from what we just made and 2 brand new ropes. We're going to take this section on the right, send it over that left section so we have a loop. It's going to twist around and go through that loop, and then we're just going to gently pull that snug up top. And you want to fairly adjust it so that your 2 rows here lay kind of evenly horizontally. So it might not be perfect, but you want it to be as close as you can. And again, just make sure your ropes are stacked nicely on top of each other. Now we're going to repeat this again. So we're going to take the 2 ropes here that we just used and 2 brand new ropes. We're going to take that section of 2 on the right, cross it over the left rope so we have our loop. They're going to twist around, go through the loop, and then we're just going to gently pull that up top and adjust so we can make it evenly matched with the other ropes. And repeat. Just like that. So you'll notice it does slant just slightly downwards, but it's not too bad. So you can make this nice and long, and you could even replace this as your full double half hitch knots because it makes a pretty nice line as well. You also get the cool braided effect up top, so it makes for a very fun pattern. We can also make this pattern go more of a diagonal completely by just changing how we tighten our ropes. So this one slightly curves down, but we can also make this go very angled. So let's do that. Again, I'm going to be using 4 ropes. I take the section of 2 on the right to cross over the 2 left ones, around and through the loop, and I pull that tight. Now I move on to my next 4 ropes. Repeat the same steps. And this time when I pull it tight, I'm going to make sure it sits right diagonally down. So you'll want the 2 top ropes here to go at an angle and line up as best as you can. Now we move on to the next 4. Just like that. So this also gives a different variation to this technique where you're keeping this pretty line and also a braided-like pattern, just going a different direction. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.